Thank you.
Attention astronaut candidates. If you are uncertain whether Orange Team, more intense training is right for you, we strongly encourage you to select Green Team, less intense training. Or proceed to the Advanced Training Lab, which offers alternative space training activities for all astronaut candidates.
Team 1, 3, and 4. 9, please. Thank you. 2, 3, and 4. Everybody, 1, 2, 7. So, if anyone asks us why we didn't choose the line was on atmosphere. 9.
That's number 6.
No, it's 9.
It's not?
So the
Sorry.
other
Welcome to the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space travel. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another, even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet: training. You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now, you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position: navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. The success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom, and in a few minutes I'll give you your specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles. During your Green Team Less Intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside X-2 flight simulators that produce sensations of acceleration. Those who are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. If you would like to opt out, just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time.
Rows 7 and 4. Rows 8 and 3. Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a spectacular mission around the Earth. Your flight path will take you west across North America, Asia, Europe, and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigators.
Then reach up and pull down on the restraint.
X2 is an excellent ship. Your job will be to trigger first stage separation and trigger the landing sequence. Surgeon, how are we doing?
All good for launch.
A reminder, Commander. Your assignments are to activate flight sequence, and for landing, activate manual control.
Yep.
Loading flight plan.
Bam.
Engineer, just a reminder. You will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing.
Rating 3.4 million gallons. Exterior, good to go.
Push further states, please. Make sure lunch.
Closing. If needed, space sickness bags are located on the instrument panel.
Okay, thank you. LPS?
LPS go.
Milo? Milo go? Ingo?
Ingo is go.
STM? STM go. STE? Go flight. DC? DC is go. UPS?
Go flight.
FAO?
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Go flight. Mission Control, this is the Fire Eagle. Give us the go for launch. Eagle. Surgeon. Network. You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to X2. You are go and throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now.
Initiated.
Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Engineer, activate flight cameras. Now.
Initiated.
Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now.
Initiated.
Navigator, initiate descent. Now. Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now.
Wings extended.
We lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
Activated.
All hands on the control sticks. Pull right. Now left. Right.
restraints. Now push the restraints up. Before you exit your capsule, please remember to gather your personal items and remove any extra. Thanks, and see you next mission.
Nada, com isso quando foi pra cima.